Hello YouTube, my name is Rachel Mayo. Welcome to my channel and thank you for being here. If you're new to my channel and have not yet subscribed, please do so now. I'm going to be discussing how you can use iodine to heal your thyroid, cystic breast, ovarian cysts, PCOS, fibroids, and your prostate. Later in this discussion, I'm going to show you how you can use iodine to do a skin iodine patch test. This test will show you if you're actually deficient in iodine. I'll also show you how to use iodine to remove skin tags. You will also learn how to use iodine to regrow your hair or your eyebrows. I personally don't suffer from any of the conditions that I mentioned above. If you do suffer from ovarian cysts, cystic breasts, fibroids, PCOS, and for men, the prostate, I do suggest that you give iodine supplementation a try. It's a very effective and inexpensive option. It also may help prevent breast cancer. This is one of the main reasons I started taking iodine. I always believe in prevention and not cure. So this is why I'm very passionate about herbal medicine and spreading the word around. If you know anyone that is suffering from any of those conditions, please tell them about this supplement. It's very likely that this small, simple supplement could actually save somebody's life. So please share this information and this video. So what is iodine? This is also called iodide. This is the type of iodine that is found naturally in the earth's soil and the ocean waters. Many saltwater and plant-based foods contain iodine. This mineral is widely available in iodized salts. It's important to get enough iodine in your diet. It regulates hormones, fetal development, and more. If your iodine levels are low, your doctor may recommend supplementation. You shouldn't take supplements without checking with your doctor first. Most Americans are iodine deficient because our government removed iodine from our food like our bread. And since then, there has been a rise in different types of cancer, thyroid problems, and weight gain. I'm not going to dwell so much on the research aspect of how to use iodine. You can do this by yourself. There's plenty of information out there. I'm just going to focus on how you can use it to benefit you or heal some of your issues. Asians consume a lot of seaweed and other sea vegetables. This is why a lot of Asians have lower cases of cancer. The Japanese have a lower rate of cancer in their country, simply because their diet contains a lot of iodine. The daily consumption of iodine for ages between 14 and over is 150 mcgs to 200 mcgs. That's micromilligrams. Here are some of the benefits of taking iodine. Promoting thyroid health, reducing risk for some goiters, managing an overactive thyroid gland, treating thyroid cancer, neurodevelopment during pregnancy, improving birth weight, may help treat a fibrocystic breast, repair damaged cells and support a healthy metabolism, treating radiation in case of a nuclear fallout. Disinfecting water, used to disinfect the skin before surgery. It can also be used to treat wounds, burns, and cuts. Iodine is also known to promote the development of normal breast tissue and protect against the formation of abnormal tissue cells. In addition to breast cancer risk, iron deficiency is also known to cause fibrocystic breasts, a condition characterized by lumpiness in one or both breasts. So what are cysts? Cysts are fluid-filled sacs that may cause inflammation or pain. Iodine may help shrink uterine fibroids. One of the first conventional treatments for fibroids is to paint a woman's uterus with iodine. There is also a correlation between iodine deficiency and lower IQ. Iodine deficiency is a risk for thyroid cancer. The thyroid needs iodine and selenium in order to function properly. Iodine and selenium should be taken together in order to balance your thyroid. Also take vitamin C, magnesium. You can also take Brazil nuts. Just one Brazil nut per day to supplement your selenium. You can also use pink Himalayan salt, add to a glass of water and drink that every day. This is going to help remove toxins. If you're new to my channel and have not yet subscribed, please do so now. Here is why you should subscribe to my channel. I talk about intimate issues that affect us as a society and as mankind. I also review herbal medicine and herbal therapies that one can use to heal the body or boost one's immune system. I usually review products that I've used myself, so you will be getting first-hand feedback. And yes, I am an astrologer. I bring you astrology in a simple way that you can understand and use it for your everyday guidance in your life. Also remember to ring the bell icon so that you may be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's move on to our discussion. This is the iodine I take. It's from a company called Lugos. You can find this on Amazon. I'm going to leave the links in my description area. This little bottle costs about $13, but this will last you at least 3 or 4 months. So it has a dropper, and this is how much you take. I usually just push this, take this much. I'm not gonna lie, it tastes really bad. But if it gives me a better chance of preventing cystic breast or ovarian cysts, fibroids, or PCOS, I'm going to take that. This is the selenium I use. It has 250 pills in it. Let me show you what the pills look like. They're very small, they're very small and easy to swallow. It costs between $10 to $14. This is povidone. This is the iodine that is used for cuts, bruises, and burns. And this is the iodine that I'm going to use to show you the skin patch test. This test is what will show you if you're iodine deficient or not. Make sure that you're wearing dark colored clothes. I'm going to use 2 cotton swabs and just saturate it a bit. I also got that on Amazon, and this is how you do painting. Yeah, pretty messy. I'm going to try and do it a little bit lower over here. So that is how you perform an iodine skin patch test. You just rub it up your wrist. You just rub some on your wrist and watch it absorb. It's going to stain yellow. If it's absorbed really quickly, that's how you know that you're iron deficient. I haven't been on top of my game taking the iodine. It's very discouraging because it tastes kind of nasty. This result is showing me that I have to start taking some more iodine because it has, as you can see clearly, it has absorbed too quickly. In fact, in the larger area over here, you can barely see it. If this yellow-orange coloring disappears completely in an hour, that is a pure indication that I need to take more iodine. That is an indication that I need to include more iodine in my diet. It's important to have one of these handy in your house just in case of cuts and bruises, especially if you have little children running around. This comes in really handy. You disinfect the wound with this and then apply a band-aid. If you lost your hair due to chemotherapy or if you suffer from alopecia, iodine is another supplement that can help you regrow your hair. I don't have the clear iodine handy right now, but I'm going to link it in the description area. You can use clear iodine on your eyebrows or on your scalp to regrow your hair. If you can't stand the taste of the liquid iodine, they also sell tablets. The tablets are called Idorol. I will leave a link in the description area for those as well. I actually used the tablets for a while because I just couldn't stand the taste of this liquid. The disadvantage of taking iodine in pill form is the fact that they have to mix with your stomach acids, and this reduces their efficacy. Most important of all, the thyroid is right here. So the liquid drops get right to your thyroid and they get right to the core of your problems. I returned to buying the liquid formula because it's much more effective. Also, the tablet form is quite expensive. It costs about $50 compared to $13. And lastly, how to remove skin tags. We use this type of iodine. It's called povidone. Apply some coconut oil around the area of the skin tag, not on the skin tag itself. Then apply the iodine directly on the skin tag. Apply a band-aid over this area and repeat this treatment twice a day, every day until the skin tag falls off by itself. Do not attempt to cut off the skin tag. Cutting it off before it's ready to fall off is going to aggravate and inflame the area, and it actually may produce more skin tags. As you can see, iodine has many benefits. If you're suffering from any of those diseases, this is certainly worth a try. It's also an inexpensive option.